Hello, my name is Carl Schusterman and I'm an immigration attorney. And this slideshow will give you a brief introduction of how to get a P visa to come to the U.S. to perform as an athlete, an entertainer, or an artist. If you're an athlete, you can get a P1 visa if you're sponsored by an employer or an agent and you're coming either as an individual or part of a group, but your level of performance must be internationally recognized. If you're an entertainer and want a P1 visa, again, you must be sponsored by an employer or an agent. You must be coming, though, as part of a group, and the group must be internationally recognized as outstanding. At least 75% of the members of the group must have been in the group for at least 1 year. So we always talk about John, Paul, George, and Ringo. If somehow the Beatles got another drummer instead of Ringo, they could still come to the United States. But that if they got another guitarist besides George, that would be only 50% of the group coming to the U.S. and they would not qualify. Now, let's say you want a P2 visa to come to the U.S. You don't have to be internationally recognized. You can be coming individually or as part of a group, and you must be on a reciprocal exchange program, meaning people are coming from your country to the U.S. to perform and from the U.S. to your country. Here your skills must only be comparable to the U.S. artists that are going to your country. Also, if you want a P3 visa, these are for people who are culturally unique, artists and entertainers, and you can be coming to the U.S. to perform, but also to teach or coach artists and entertainers in the United States. You might be a flamenco dance instructor and teaching U.S. groups to do this. And you can come individually or you can come as part of a group. Now, if you come on a P1, P2, or P3 visa, can you bring your family with you to the United States? Yes, you can. You can bring them for the same amount of time as you're admitted to the U.S., which for a P1 could be up to 5 years. But the family members cannot work in the United States. If you need more information about how to qualify for any of these types of visas, please visit our website, click on temporary visas. They're all alphabetical from A to U. Just click on the P visas. Also, things are changing in immigration law all the time, so be sure to subscribe to our free monthly email newsletter. You can also follow us on social media. And if you need legal advice from an attorney, call up and schedule an appointment with any of our 7 attorneys at the number shown on this slide.